The main question many Spectrum Mobile customers ask is whether they can cancel their service without making a phone call. Let's examine the current cancellation requirements. As of September 2025, Spectrum Mobile typically requires customers to call customer service to cancel their mobile line. This is the primary and most reliable method for cancellation. You can contact Spectrum Mobile customer service at either 833-267-6094 or 833-224-6603. These are the primary numbers to call when you want to cancel your mobile service. While older information might suggest online cancellation options, current procedures usually require a phone call to complete the cancellation process. Online options are currently limited. Keep an eye out for potential future updates. The industry trend leans towards more self-service digital options, which could eventually include online or in-app cancellations for Spectrum Mobile. Before attempting to cancel your Spectrum Mobile service, proper preparation is essential. This preparation can save you time and help you understand all the financial implications of your decision. Start by gathering your essential account information. You'll need your account number and PIN readily available. Next, review your contract terms carefully to understand any commitments you've made. Also, check if you have any device financing agreements and review your current bundle discounts with other Spectrum services, as canceling mobile service may affect these benefits. Early termination fees can range from $100 to $200, depending on your specific plan and how much time remains on your contract. These fees are designed to recover the cost of any promotional discounts you received when signing up. If you financed your device through Spectrum Mobile, be prepared for the remaining balance to become due immediately upon cancellation. This amount will be added to your final bill, so factor this cost into your decision. While calling remains the primary method, it's worth exploring Spectrum's website and mobile app for any updated self-service options. The telecommunications industry is moving toward more digital self-service capabilities. As a last resort, third-party services like Xpendi offer to send cancellation letters on your behalf for a fee. However, these services are not affiliated with Spectrum Mobile, charge additional fees, and success is not guaranteed. Remember that direct contact with Spectrum Mobile is often more reliable and ensures you receive proper confirmation of your cancellation request. These third-party services should only be considered if other methods have failed. Proper preparation with all necessary information and understanding of potential costs will help ensure a smoother cancellation process, regardless of which method you ultimately choose.